How to use Ulta for hair and skincare services. Hi, everybody. Skincare services at Ulta Beauty. You can book appointments through the Ulta website or the mobile app or by calling a local store directly as well. Now, what you need is you could simply go ahead and book an appointment. So for that, you just want to make sure to use the Ulta Beauty app or the online booking portal. You can also book in store or by phone as well. Now, you need to make sure to use the store locator to find a nearby location that offers a specific service you need. After which, you could go ahead and browse categories like hair, skin, brows, or makeup. And for hair service, you can often choose between different expert level, stylish, master style, or elite stylist as well, which will affect the financial or final price as well. And you could simply go ahead and choose an available time slot and provide your contact information to receive a confirmation by email or text as well. And you could also do this by going to or visiting this in store as well. And that's basically how you're supposed to use Ulta for hair and skincare services. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.